Okay, hi 7th grade. This is the last video that you are going to be watching for your 1-point perspective project. I am going to show you how to use colored pencils to make sure that you have some really nice finished drawings, okay? So, first off, I want to show you. This is just like when you are shading with a normal pencil. You can do different shades based on how hard you push on your pencil. So, you could have really light colors like this, because I'm not pushing very hard, okay? But if I want them to be darker, obviously if you push harder, you can get different shades, okay? What you can also do is go different directions to make it go darker, okay? By adding different layers. Okay. Show you with another color. You can also go from light to dark by back and forth, but then as you go, you start pushing harder and harder, okay? Until you have different shades of that color. So there might be certain things that you want to be darker or lighter. You can also go back over, going a different direction, the parts that you want to be the darkest. Okay? What you can also do is you can mix a color. So let's say that you don't have the color that you're looking for exactly, and you want to have a different color. You can take two different colors and blend them together. So if you first do a light area with the pencil like this, you can go back over it using a different color. And it creates a different look than if you had just taken it out of the box. Let's try another one. We can make this one be a little bit more blue. So you can color with one, and then you can go back over it. Now you have a different, more interesting color to look at. Just do a couple layers of the different pencils to create this different color, okay? That looks a lot different than if you had had just this color or just this color, right? There you go. Okay, another thing I want to show you is how to cover up mistakes. So let's say that I am drawing a okay, let's say I'm drawing this lamp, but I accidentally put the line here instead of here, okay? So if you go to erase it, sometimes you can still see that line, okay? That's going to count off of your craftsmanship if I can see a lot of erase lines like that one, okay? So what you can do is use your colored pencils to try to disguise it, okay? So what we could do is with shading, we can make this side of the lamp darker than this side of the lamp. So if I'm coloring and I want it to be this color, this purpley pink color, I want to make this side of it darker. So by doing that, it will cover this part up, and I can use one of the techniques I showed you. So I'm going to color the other direction on the side. Make this part extra dark by pushing a little bit harder. And now you can't see it. And now this looks like I did this on purpose because it's more three-dimensional because I shaded, and you can't see that mistake as much. Okay, so don't forget the things I'm going to be looking for on your rubric. Make sure you're checking that, making sure that you have good craftsmanship, you've put a lot of thought and creativity into it, and you have followed all the steps, and it is complete. Well done. Good job.